Okay, today we are making groundnut or peanut soup the Togolese way. So I washed the chicken, hard chicken, with lemon, or you can wash it with what you prefer. But I have washed chicken here, hard one. I have basil, dry anise grounded. I have ginger, frozen one, defrost. I'm using 2. Garlic, 2. 2 cube, frozen one. 2. Full onions, medium. 3 cube Maggi. And salt for your taste. Then I'll mix all and I'll marinate it for 45 1 hour before I'll start cooking. Done. It took me 45 to 50 minutes to be done because I like my chicken tender. Okay, let's start with the soup. Okay, let's start with the soup. This is about like 3 tablespoons groundnut paste. I normally dissolve the paste with the hot water first. I'll add the tomato paste. Depend on the quantity you use. So this is the tomato paste and the groundnut paste mixed together. Just cook it for 2-3 minutes. Then I'll add the stock. Some people call it peanut butter in UK here. In back home we call it groundnut. Groundnut paste. We call it in Ewe azitutu. Azitutu desi. Okay, let me move this chicken over here because I need the stock and I'm not using all the chicken, so just have to take the chicken out. My children prefer the leg, so the leg will go, the wings will go, the neck will go, the breast, the thigh. I'll keep some for their lunch tomorrow because we are in lockdown. and this is New Year coming, so they are in here with me. Okay, I'm adding some stuff. I don't want to save it, I like it chunky. That's it. Move this one here. Correct. Then I'll add more water. But I don't like it too watery, I like it thick because my children prefer it with rice. Yeah, I prefer it with curry. But you need to give enough water for the chicken and the groundnut to boil and marinate well. My ginger. And my pepper. Let me add some small because my grandson is here. Doesn't like pepper. Let me taste it and see. Let me add salt. You can add the salt for your taste. Yeah, I don't like too much salt, so just tiny bit will be enough for me. Let it boil. So let the soup boil until when you see the oil is coming on top of your soup, you know that the soup is ready. It start coming already. You can see it. Some oil coming up. Yeah, it's getting ready. Let it cook about 10 more minutes and we'll be done. Done. Ready. Yeah, nice and thick for the rice. Now pass this here soup. All done. It's rice, white rice. Come on. Enjoy.